welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Ayla, again. So it's just a quick vlog, guys. Today we're going to unbox my new Nikes. Two Nikes, guys. Two. The other one is I just used last 2 days ago, but I did not have any time to make a video. So yes, so nice. The first one is these, guys. I just bought this here in Mexico City, guys. Sobrang init din dito sa Mexico, guys. So yun, guys. So bear with me, guys. Tapos this is the Nike AF1. Ito, guys. This. And dito siya. Kakalaba ko lang, guys, kasi sobrang ano siya kahapon nung sinuot ko. Ito siya. I love it, guys. Yan. Yan siya, guys. My size is 7.5. Yep. And then the other one, I forgot how much is this. Sorry, guys, from the microwave. I forgot how much is this, but it's like somewhere 2,000 pesos, 2,500, something like that, guys. And the next one is Nike Renew. So this one, guys, is bagong labas to siya na sapatos, so it's a little bit expensive, but I love it. So I asked him, please, because I love it. Then he did. It's $115. He bought it from Canada, guys. So this size is 37.5 to, yeah, I'm 37.5 and Nike shoes. Some of the shoes are not, my size are not the same. Ito siya, guys. Kasi bago siyang labas, I love it. I love it. I love it so much, guys. Like, what? It's good. It's good for running siya, guys. Tsaka, running and walking, jogging, something like that. Yan siya, guys. Yan siya. So, basta bago to siyang labas, guys, kasi I was searching at Nike shop, like, because he asked me, what do you want? Then, yeah, this. I actually have a Nike, yung shorts, yung like leggings siya, pero short, yung tela niya is parang leggings, but I forgot it's in the other trailer. I will just put a picture. It came with this shoes. So, ganyan siya, guys. Yan siya. Yan. From Canada. No, some of my shoes are from Canada. He bought it from Canada. Kasi, dito, sobrang mahal dito. Kaya, every time he go to Canada, he always asks me if I want something from Lululemon or from Nike, because that's the only shop that we love. Lululemon, especially Lululemon, guys. I do love Lululemon. That's why I get lots of stuff, or like sports bra and leggings from Lululemon, kasi I love their fabric. So you guys should try it, kasi sobrang ganda niya. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yun lang, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, just comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!